Alright, welcome back to part 5 of the unboxing. Today it looks like we're unboxing the power supply. This is the best power supply you can find. This is Corsair RM750X. It's got 750 watts of power. This baby will get you going 0 to 90 in about 3.5 seconds. Let's unbox this bitch. You can tell right away this plastic is not the greatest. Oh, look at how that just rips. This might not have been all the bargaining that we thought it was. I thought this was gonna be... Man, this plastic is just really getting me. Now I can only assume that the reason most of you guys are watching these videos is because you somehow enjoy watching unboxings. You get off on it, so I'm gonna do my best to get you off on this, okay? All right. Now, I know you probably are just enjoying seeing me struggle here. I get it though. Get it? That's why we're here. Eventually I'm gonna open this box. We're gonna finish this. Eventually I'll figure out the design of this. No, it doesn't want to open from either side. Ah, man. I don't know what to do. Just give it a little work on that side, and then a little shimmy sham here. Boom. Pops right open. I figured it out. Alright. Dang. Oh. Yeah, this is what it was all about. The plastic was garbage, but this is all worth it right here. I wish that every single one of you guys could smell this right here. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's great. I really do see why you guys get off on these videos. Probably like 5 out of 5 stars on that. Alright. And here's the cooling unit. The power supply. You just plug this sucker into the wall and you're good to go. Alright, well, nobody likes to see reboxing videos, so until next time.